Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Dark December game not working, not launching, not loading, crashing, lagging, freezing or other issues on Android phone. So the very first method is to restart your phone. So for that, press the volume up plus power button and now select restart. So this will restart your phone. Once your phone restarts, check if the game is opening or not. If not, you should force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on app info and then click on force stop and then click on OK. So this will force stop the game. After that, launch the game and check. If not, you should clear the cache of the game. For that, click on storage and cache. Now click on clear cache. After that, try to open the game and check if it's working or not. If the issue still occurs, you should check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, you have to search for Dark December game, and here you have to check if there is any update available. If yes, update your game to the latest version. After that, try to launch the game and check. If not, or if you cannot play the game or cannot launch the game, you should use a VPN app. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for VPN and get lots of VPN apps. Select and install any one of them and change the location, and after that try to install the game and check whether you can play it or not. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the game once. So for that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on delete and then click on uninstall. So this will remove the game completely from your device. After that, go to Google Play Store. Once again, in the search option, you have to search for Dark December game and now click on install option, and after installing the game, now check if you can play it without any further problem. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.